Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to lock your cells in your worksheet here in Microsoft Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so there are two methods of doing this depending on the version you have, so I'll walk you through both of those very quickly. The first method, if you drag and drop over your cells, do right click and then click Format, you will have an option for protection. Now if you cannot see this, then you'll want to follow the second method, which is by going up to Review. You can see at the very top, and you'll see the option for protection. Click this and then click Manage. From here we'll give the option to protect your sheet, so this is the page that you're on right now, and from here we can choose to protect the sheet and then choose the range of cells that you would like to edit. So that means every single cell cannot be drawn in unless you choose the range you would. So you can see these cells here I can edit, these I cannot. So you can try that now. If I try typing here, it doesn't let me, but if I type in the selection, it does. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.